Nature's Whisper. Unveiling the science behind the rustling of leaves. Introduction. The gentle rustling of leaves is a familiar and comforting sound in natural settings, evoking images of serene forests and tranquil landscapes. Behind this subtle symphony lies a fascinating interplay of physics, biology, and environmental factors. In this article, we explore the science behind the rustling of leaves, unraveling the secrets that make this phenomenon a delightful melody of the outdoors. 1. Leaf morphology. The science of rustling leaves begins with the physical characteristics of the leaves themselves. The shape, size, and surface features of leaves influence how they respond to environmental forces such as wind. Leaves with serrated edges, irregular shapes, or unique surface textures are more likely to produce distinct rustling sounds. 2. Wind-induced motion. The primary contributor to the rustling of leaves is the movement of air, particularly wind. When the wind flows through a group of leaves, it imparts forces on them, causing them to move. The interaction between the wind and the leaves creates a dynamic dance, resulting in the rustling sound we perceive. 3. Fluid dynamics and turbulence. The rustling sound is a product of fluid dynamics and turbulence in the air. As the wind encounters obstacles like leaves, it generates vortices and eddies. The interaction between the turbulent air and the leaves produces fluctuations in pressure, leading to the rustling noise. The irregularities in leaf surfaces and the variability in wind speed contribute to the complexity and richness of the rustling sound. 4. Stems and petioles. It's not just the leaves themselves. The stems and petioles, leaf stalks, also play a role in rustling. The flexibility and movement of these supporting structures amplify the swaying of leaves in response to the wind. The collective movement of leaves on a tree or plant creates a symphony of rustling that is both dynamic and harmonious. 5. Acoustic properties. The acoustic properties of leaves contribute to the specific qualities of the rustling sound. Leaves with smoother surfaces may produce a softer rustle, while those with rough textures can create a crisper and more pronounced sound. The moisture content of leaves can also affect the acoustic properties, influencing the pitch and resonance of the rustling. 6. Ecological significance. The rustling of leaves is not only a delightful auditory experience but also serves ecological functions. It can act as a natural deterrent for potential herbivores, signaling the presence of movement and potentially discouraging feeding. Additionally, the rustling of leaves can be a communication method among certain species, alerting them to the presence of nearby individuals or potential threats. 7. Psychological impact. Beyond its scientific underpinnings, the rustling of leaves has a psychological impact on humans. The sound is often associated with peaceful natural environments, contributing to a sense of tranquility and relaxation. This connection to nature has led to the use of rustling leaves in therapeutic practices such as sound therapy and meditation. Conclusion. The rustling of leaves, a seemingly simple and common occurrence, unveils a rich tapestry of scientific principles and ecological interactions. As the wind weaves its way through leaves, it creates a melodic masterpiece that connects us to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Understanding the science behind this gentle symphony deepens our appreciation for the intricacies of nature's harmonies.